we're here at one of our listings. We're currently in escrow, and this is just a perfect opportunity to introduce our trusted electrician, Edgar Garcia with GE Electric. So Edgar's been our go-to electrician for the past several years. He's helped us out with everything from small jobs to rewiring our entire office. So yeah, I just want to introduce Edgar, and yeah, thanks for going on camera with us and talking a little bit about what you do. So, you're a licensed electrician, and what areas do you work in?
Well, I've been in business since 2010. The areas that we work is Carlsbad, Bressi Ranch Santa Fe, Encinitas, Del Mar, La Jolla. We do, like Skid says, since rewiring a whole house, troubleshooting, or service calls.
Right, and then, I just learned this a minute ago. I know you had a couple of brothers that you guys all work together.
Yes.
I didn't realize you have 4 brothers.
Yeah,
you guys,
our business is a family business. We're 4, my 3 brothers and myself. We work together, so it's a good team.
Well, I work with Cindy. She's actually behind the camera, so I know what you're talking about. Sometimes family, it can get a little interesting, but I've seen firsthand how you guys work, because when we rewired the office, it was awesome. I mean, we did everything from Cat 5, outlets, lighting.
We do lighting.
Yeah.
We do, like say any electrical, we do it. Landscape lighting,
right?
Outdoor lighting, chandeliers.
Yeah.
That.
Right.
Troubleshoot.
Right.
You know.
Yeah, and I was gonna say, I think that's one of the things that we always like doing is using really people that we trust. So you've done work in our own house, you've done work in our office, you've always available to do these smaller jobs. So in this case here, we had an issue with a 3-way switch. And so what kind of happened here?
We got a problem with the 3-way switch that it wasn't working right.
Mm-hmm.
3-ways is just an easy fix, because it was just miswired.
Right.
So they wired it wrong, and it took like 10 minutes?
Right.
2 minutes to get it back to work. So
yeah. So in this case, a quick, easy fix. And then what are some of the more complicated jobs you've done? Well, you've done whole rewires and
we do custom houses, remodels, you name it. We do lighting controls.
Yeah.
We use a lot of good lighting systems like Lutron, Vantage.
Right.
We
awesome.
pretty much every single lighting system that is on the market, we work with it.
Oh, I was gonna say too. I think we were talking about Tim. I think at his house you did. He added lights. He added some can lights. Some of the houses here, the original lighting wasn't the best.
Yes. The problem we have is like most of the houses here, they don't have overhead lighting. We have to add more lights. Right. Yeah, that's the main thing. We do a lot of recessed lighting.
Yeah. Is that a complicated job, or is that?
Well, all depends. Like on the second floor, it's pretty easy because we have the attic walk around, and there is no drywall involved.
Yeah.
But on the first floor, there is.
Right.
It gets more complicated. We have to open walls and run the wires. But we try to do the minimum that's on the walls, so then it gets more cost effective.
Right, and as I say, we've done that as well, where we had some patchwork in the house, and we have a great drywall person that we recommend. I think in some of our patchwork, and again, I think it was part of your pre-planning. It was very minimal.
Yeah, that's the difference between I want to point is that between what we do with other electricians. That I would tell you, I would be very honest with you, what's gonna be involved.
Yes. Yeah.
I said, we have to do 1, 2, 3 holes, and you have to put it on your budget.
Right.
And that way you're not like, you didn't expect that to happen.
They don't come home and
they don't come home and say, what's going on?
Right.
So since the beginning, I will tell you what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Pretty much, we're very honest in what we do.
Yeah. Well, we appreciate it. We appreciate all the work you've done for us and our clients, and we're going to have all your contact information in the notes on the video. And then please, if you're looking for an electrician, Edgar's our guy, and we know he's going to take good care of you. So, Edgar, thanks again I know this wasn't a big job.
Thank you, Skip. Thank you, Cindy, because you guys know. Yeah. For all the work that you guys provide.
Thank you. It's our pleasure. Thanks for always taking care of us.
My pleasure.